Hello friends and welcome back. Today we're making a pretty spring arrangement using a shallow bowl. The first thing and probably most important thing of this arrangement is to line the bowl with some chicken wire. Now this is a little scratchy, so keep that in mind. Once the chicken wire is in place, I'm going to secure the wire to the edge of the bowl using some clear tape. And I'm going to do this all around. It's going to make it nice and sturdy for when we insert the tulips. Now I went ahead and mixed the water with some flour food, and I'm just going to fill a bowl with the water. And this is a fun little tip. I usually place pennies in the water because it keeps the tulips from drooping. Now I don't know if it's a myth, but it usually works, so I just do it out of habit. Now I'm going to insert the tulips in each individual hole, and it's a little droopy at first, but you'll see that once you start to put them all in, it's going to be nice and full. So just continue to do that throughout the bowl, and it's already looking nice and full. And I'm going to give you a different perspective so you can see. You want to make sure that the arrangement looks nice and uniform, and it's looking good from all the angles. And I'm making sure I'm putting a good amount of the white and the yellow tulips throughout. Now I think the arrangement looks pretty as it is, and you can stop right there. But I wanted to add a little more interest, so I took some faux flowers, and using faux flowers mixed in with real flowers, a great way to save some money. And again, I think this looks pretty as it is, but it is spring, so I'm going to add a little bit of moss, even though I think in retrospect I probably would have skipped the moss, but like I said before, it's spring, so I think it's acceptable. So there you go, a pretty spring arrangement using a shallow bowl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.